Who struggles trying to get that perfect middle part, and then you think you got it, but then you don't have it, but then you think you got it, but then you don't have it? Okay, we're gonna learn today. Okay, I know this is a braider's favorite part, that middle part. So I typically come from the front. I will stand in front of my client and I will start the part first, and then I'll come behind them and apply the shine and jam, and make sure to use your rat tail comb. It's straight, okay? Go down from the middle. Just be safe. You can go little by little. Make you one pre-part, one full pre-part all the way down. And then you're going to take these little steps, okay? And you're going to just take the rat tail comb and keep going. If you see little hairs within the part, get them little hairs. Don't leave them. Don't say, oh, you know what, it's only a couple hairs. No, I'm telling you, in the end, You know how when you were younger and you were taking tests and they were saying your first answer is more likely going to be the right one? Yep. If you see them hairs, gonna fix that. Keep going down. Go all the way to the nape of the head. I just keep combing the hairs out of the way, and the shine and jam that's on the part help keep the hairs in place. That's why we use that, okay? I keep putting my hands on the side of the client's head so I can... Some clients have loose scalps, so hair will move. You'll think that your part is straight, and it's not. It's like a crooked straight, and we want it straight, okay? Some clients, I'm telling you, they may not like it. Oh my God, they're taking forever to part my hair. But they will be glad you did all that once you get to the end, because they can't appreciate every little thing you do, but you have to appreciate every little thing that you do for your clients, okay? Get every single hair out of the way, all the way from the top to the bottom of the head. That's what's going to make a perfect style. You see that? Oh, a couple of hairs. You see that?